Come over here, come closer. Psst, I got what you need. Got what you need. Is this what you're looking for, guys? I got the cheapest side skirts for our $2,200 FRS build. This is the box it came in. Let's go and open it up, get it installed, and I'll let you guys know how it turned out. We're getting started right now. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we have. I don't know if you guys have a knife on your key ring. This one's by Sogged. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. Love this. Have it on your keys. You don't have to carry a big knife around, and it works great, guys. So anyways, just want to let you know, key knife rocks and it's great. All right, let's go ahead and open this box here. So this is the way the package came. It's a big old long box. Packaging's pretty good, I guess. I don't know why I'm trying to do this the hard way. Let's just open the top. Doy. I'm getting winded opening a box, guys. Yes, they are the side skirts. So they're completely plastic wrapped. Packaging's good. They look unmarred. Focus, get my face. The money maker. Always check your box. Make sure there's nothing left in there. Nothing, it's empty. So we got our mounting screws in it, which is great. I don't know why, I always assumed the cheap arrow pieces just didn't have the mounting hardware. I went and had a bunch of screws on standby. But the cool thing is they're black as well, which is nice, so they match the arrow kits that I'm buying. So hardware included, yes, and they're black. That's a win. So here's the initial inspection on the side skirts. They are okay, but if you look, what the heck is this, guys? What is that? Look, it's all wavy. That is just junky. Oh my goodness. So that is a fail right there. Unless it's meant to be like that. I have no idea why they would do that, but it is on the underside where it's going to be mounted, so hopefully won't be a problem. It is a little disformed, it's twisted, and it's wrinkled. If you guys watched my lip video, this is a lot less quality than the front lip, and the sad thing is I paid more for these. Even though they're the cheapest ones I could buy, they suck. Hopefully they won't be noticeable after I have them on the car, but I am not thrilled with the way this one looks. Let's go and look at the second one. Okay, so the second one also is slightly wavy, also kind of curved. Quality, guys, I'm not so happy about it. Hopefully it looks better on the car, but initial reaction, sucky. So anyways, be fair warned. Let's go ahead and get these mounted on the car and see if hopefully my thoughts change, because I'm not feeling too good about this purchase just yet, but I need some side skirts, so let's go and do it now. All right, another thing, just wanted to point out, they didn't differentiate left from right, so I had to kind of hold them up to there and kind of guess which one looks like it. They're all warped, so hopefully I'm right. I'm just gonna go for it. I just want to let you guys know that there's no instructions, there's nothing differentiating, and they both look fairly similar, so hopefully I get the install right. Anyways, let's move forward. All right, guys, this is my final screw, so I just want to give you the pointers that worked for me. All right, so the bit size that I used was a 9/64 bit. All right, I started by installing the front and then the back. I didn't want to do the middle because I didn't want to risk the front or back not lining up. So I started with the front because obviously that's the most important part. You don't want it overhanging or anything like that. I go and drill a pilot hole. Also, I jack the car up by the middle. That way you can work evenly across. And if you jack it up by the actual frame rail, whatever, the pinch weld, whatever you want to call it, that actually works out fine. Since I'm not actually lifting the whole car, it shouldn't be an issue. So just drill your pilot hole and then just drill the screw in. Drill your junky screw in because that's all we have. Also, because you can't see with what you're doing, it's a pain in the butt to line up these screws to the pilot hole. You think you feel it, then you don't. That or the screw just sucks. Then you feel it grab and you just go until you feel it snug up, and that's it. Final screw done. Let's go and see how this turned out. Before that, part of having this channel is keeping it real. This is a battle casualty. Totally marred the side of my car. This is the price of DIY, I guess. Sad day again. But the interesting thing is, let's go and see how the side skirts turned out. So my final thoughts on the actual side skirts. I went for kind of a minimalist. I don't want the side skirts to be so wild that the car looks tacky. So I want to go to a clean approach where it's like, are those stock or are those not stock? That's the type of look I'm going for, like a pro stock, something that looks like it might have came from the factory and just accents the car and the body lines. So overall, initial reaction, I thought, oh man, these are gonna suck. Then I start installing them, pain in the butt to install, and the hardware also sucks. But overall, after I had it installed, they actually look pretty good. They lined up, the waviness and everything is on the bottom, and also because it's polyurethane, it kind of molds to the car when I screwed it down. So it actually fits pretty good. You guys can see right here that, you know, it actually comes up flush with the car. It holds its shape like it should, and it accents the body lines of the car very well. So am I happy with them, and would I buy them again? Yes, I would have bought them again because I don't want to overpay for parts, and it gave me the look I was looking for, even though my initial reaction wasn't what I'd hoped for. But bang for the buck is there, the look was there, and I can't wait to move on to the next pieces because guys, the boxes are piling up. There's the front lip I installed on the last video, and then there's the side skirts. But the cool thing is they look like they feed into each other, and the body lines just match really nicely. Even though they're from two different kits, not even related to each other, I'm super happy with the way it looks. It makes the car look like it's squatted down more, like it's lowered. It just gives it like a wider stance, and the ground effects, I'm so happy with the way this is coming together. So anyways, it is possible to have a nice car on a budget, and when you guys see the final totals of this vehicle, you guys are going to be like pretty thrilled to see that you can have a car like this without a lot of money. Anyways, if you like this kind of content, feel free to comment, subscribe, like, do all those things that you guys do in 2020, and I appreciate having you on the channel, and I will see you on the next one.